Oops, sorry. Don't throw it yet. Is it crunchy? Knew that was gonna happen first time. Is it deep? Wow.
Hey, look at my friend. I have two words. Bring it on.
Alright, y'all be nice. Don't be too mean now. Come on.
Over there.
Okay. Hey, both of y'all get together. Hold on a second. Both of y'all get together so I can take a picture. Mason, don't throw any. Hey, y'all two get together.
Can you hold a snowball in the picture?
Yep. Get Snowball. Hey, look at me, boys. Look at me, Mason. Oh, you closed your eyes. Look at me. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright, good picture, y'all. Y'all are crazy. Wow, this snow is deep, isn't it? If I can take a picture of that, hold on.
Daddy, watch out!
Don't you throw snow at me, I got cameras.
Oh, I think
Not yet, anyway.
Huh?
I said, don't. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Don't you throw stuff at me. Mason, look at me. Mason.
Cheese.
No, look at me.
Cheese.
Cheryl, look at me.
And the grass is frozen.
It's messing up my camera. Hold on, Cheryl. Alright. That's wrong, Mason. Huh?